Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Government doing all it can to mitigate human-animal conflict in Goa, say forest officials. In Goa, 540 persons tested positive on Saturday from the 3,960 tests done, and overall in India, 1,45,384 cases were reported in the past 24 hours. But masks still being used below the nose, social distancing a fallacy. One killed, another serious in Vasco accident after scooter hits traffic signal at Daboli. And now for the news in detail. Cases all over the country and the state are up. In Goa, 540 persons tested positive on Saturday from the 3,960 tests done. The country as a whole touched its peak with 1,45,384 corona cases in the past 24 hours. However, there is still not following of protocols. Masks are being used below the nose and social distancing is a fallacy. Here's more.
Panji saw 295 cases, Kandoli 291, Porvorim 415, Margaon 386 and Ponda 304 active cases. Experts that we have spoken to have told us that without masks and social distancing, vaccination is of limited use. And even after the vaccines are given, masks have to be used. Also, large gatherings where it is not possible to maintain social distancing are to be avoided. One of them, Dr. Shekhar Shalkar, spoke to the media on the issue. Listen in.
Actually, what has happened in the last few days, the spiking of the COVID cases in Goa as well as everywhere, for almost everywhere in the country, the number of them is going down. And compared to the last wave, which was very slow, gradual wave, this is a very steep wave. म्हणजे सरळ झुमकून वयर गेले. पहिलेचे तुम्ही जर ग्राफ पहिलं जाल्यार it was like this slowly वतालो वयर. आयज तो आमकां झूम करून गेलो. The biggest plus point is that we are well prepared for it. म्हणजे आमचे पहिले आमकां ते कोरोना व्हायरस कितें ताचो ट्रीटमेंट कितें आनी HFNO म्हणजे कितें तो अर्द्यांक खबर नाशिल्लो. हाय फ्लो नेझल ऑक्सिजन म्हणून कोणाक वापरलेलें नाशिल्लें. सगळ्यांक डायरेक्ट व्हेंटिलेटराचेर घालताले मागीर डिफरंट हळू तशें ते प्रोसेस फुडें गेलो. तशें वी रियलायज दॅट ट्रीटमेंट एंड ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ लास्ट 1 year, I think almost all hospitals and all the doctors know how to treat well these cases. So I expect that the death rates will remain under control, which is around 1.3% in all over India as of today, which is the least in the full world. But important part is we have to wait for another few days. एक 10-15 दिवस आनी रावपाची गरज आसा. Severity, we will know that death rates may be. But I am quite satisfied with the number of the management which at least in Goa what we are doing. I know they are under pressure, the doctors are under pressure, and I feel really bad that दोतोर इतके बरे काम करतात, नर्सेस काम करतात, आमचे क्लास 4 स्टाफ काम करतात, they are all work सारखे जाम झाले आसा सगळेजण, fatigue has set in for everyone. तरी असताना आमचे लोक अजूनपर्यंत मास्क नाकापोना घालून भोंवतात. The mask is supposed to be worn like above the nose, but सगळे हांगा गळ्याकडे घालून भोंवतात. So social distancing is just for name's sake. आणि हात धुवपाचे हे 3 जे मेजर इम्पॉर्टंट आय फील एव्हरीबडी शुड सारखे आणि हे काम करप सामके गरजेचे आहे. प्लीज तितके तरी करूं येता तुमच्या. फक्त सगळ्यांक उपदेश दुसऱ्यांक उपदेश दीत रावपाचे. गव्हर्नमेंटान हे करूंक जाय, गव्हर्नमेंटान ते करूंक जाय, गव्हर्नमेंटान हे करूंक जाय. आणि आम्ही ताचे सायड इफेक्ट्स लास्ट इयर पहिले ऑफ द लॉकडाऊन अँड द सफरिंग ऑफ द पीपल. अँड दिस टाइम आय थिंक वी आर बेटर प्रिपेअर्ड. पण आम्ही सगळी आमची काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा. ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड the same pattern is being followed. आमकां दिसता सगळ्यांक दिवचे म्हणून. आमकां पयलीं दिसतालें की आतापर्यंत जे वेस्ट जाला न्ही ऑल ओव्हर इंडियन, तातूंत फुल गोंयांक आमी दोन्ही वॅक्सिनेशन दिवंक शकतले. वी हॅव वेस्टेड ऑलमोस्ट 25 lakhs ऑफ डोसेस इन द लास्ट 2.5 months. आमची रिक्वायरमेंट आहा 20 lakhs. गोंयची 10 लाखाचे आमी म्हणटात. 15 लाख जरी पॉप्युलेशन आसलें जाल्यार अंडर 18 चे पॉप्युलेशन इज अराउंड 4 to 5 lakhs. 10 लाखांक आमी जर 100% सुद्धा केलें, we normally expect 70%. 70% जावप म्हणजे खूप झाले. पण 100% सुद्धा वॅक्सिनेट केल्यार आमकां तितके ते डोस फूल आसता. आणि डे 1 आमी हे सांगताले की आमकां मातशे लिव्हरेज दी, की ते उरले डोस न्हय ते आमी कोण लागीं आसा तांकां आपोवन वी कॅन गिव. पण that time you see government was little म्हणजे ते खबर असेल की मिसयूज जातले कोणाकूय आपण दितले विकतले कळले मला ते घालतले भायर उजत कोणाकडून पैसे घेतले दितले फुकट उरले की फुकट गेले आफ्टर ओपनिंग द वायर यू हॅव टू यूज विदिन 4 hours but we are extremely happy that government has started vaccination in the periphery त्या विलेजीनी करप सामके इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आणि म्हाका दिसता की we will see the difference in the next few days.
India reported 1,45,384 cases of the coronavirus in 24 hours ending 9 am on Saturday. The country's COVID-19 case load, which currently stands at 1,32,05,926, includes 10,46,631 active cases and 1,68,436 deaths. India reported 794 deaths on Friday, the highest in the day since October 18, 2020. Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
One person was killed and another grievously injured in a fatal accident at Daboli early on Saturday. 35-year-old Prakash Kumar died on the spot and Pilian Suman was shifted to hospital in a serious condition. Here are the details.
Vasco police station sources said that the accident occurred at around 1:30 am near the NSG Travel Circle when two employees of a private company were returning from a night shift on an aviator scooter. The bike banged against a traffic signal and went off the road, killing the rider and seriously injuring the pillion. Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. 402 persons remain in the fray for the 5 municipal corporations after the last date of withdrawals. Total 49 people withdrew their nominations today. Maximum number 125 will be fighting elections for the 25 wards of Murmugaon municipality.
7 from Kepe, Margaon 17, Murmugaon 11 and 14 from Mapsa withdrew their nominations. However, there were no withdrawals from Sangye.
There were 115 candidates who were validly nominated. Today, 17 candidates have withdrawn their nomination and there are 98 candidates who are there in the fray now. Today, there is candidate briefing at 4:30 p.m. in room number 407 where the candidates will be briefed about MCC, about how expenditure has to be recorded in their expenditure books and other details about the election.
11 candidates have withdrawn केल्ले आसा and personally they have given their withdrawal form. So as per that, आता 125 candidates are remaining in the municipal election.
Total 7 candidates have withdrawn their candidates. Total 62 valid nominations were there. 7 were already withdrawn, so 55 candidates are there. Seats will be allotted to them.
For Sangye Municipal Council, आमी टोटल 10 वर्ड्स आसा 10 वर्सां खातीर 44 जाणांनी नॉमिनेशन पेपर फायल केल्ले तातूंतलो एक नॉमिनेशन पेपर रिजेक्ट जालें स्क्रुटिनी टायमार टोटल 43 वॅलीड नॉमिनेशन्स आयिल्लीं तितूंतली 23 जाण मेल आशिल्ले 23 जाण फिमेल आशिल्ले आनी 20 जाण मेल आशिल्ले आनी आज तांकां आमी सिंबल अलॉट करतले आनी तेजे नंतर 23rd वोटींग जातलें.
We just finished the withdrawal process today for Mapsa Municipal Council elections and total of 14 candidates have withdrawn the nomination forms. So as of today, as of now, we have a total of 81 contesting candidates from Mapsa.
Our reporters from the 5 municipalities going for polls for Goa 365.
Verna police busted a gang of mobile snatchers with the arrest of 19-year-olds Akshay Talwar, Aslam Mumin and Sarvesh Bahadur, all from Madgaon in 3 different cases of mobile snatching. 3 mobile phones worth around 40,000 and 2 bikes used in the crime were recovered. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Forest officials said that man and animal conflicts are very much a part of Goa given the close proximity of human habitation and forests. However, the government was doing all it could to mitigate the situation, including speed and size of compensation as well as improving food and water for animals. Here are the details.
A workshop for media was held on wildlife and challenges faced by the Forest Department on gaur conservation. This was part of the central program that is targeting 75 zoos from all over the country.
This program is all about gaur and zoo. And this program is a nationwide program which is being organized by Central Zoo Authority. Jenche office Delhi asa, and the Central Zoo Authority is the authority who regulates, monitors all the zoo in India. Okay, all the recognized zoo in India.
गौर के लिए आपको मालूम है गौर हमारा स्टेट एनिमल है उसको बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स उसके ऊपर अभी रिसेंट टाइम्स में आ रहा है उसका पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गया और पब्लिक के साथ उसको कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स है तो उसके लिए उसको माइंड में रखते हुए हम लोग बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज अभी टेकअप करें लास्ट 3-4 ईयर्स पे। एक तो वाटर सेट कंजर्वेशन में हमारा फोकस है जहाँ जहाँ मतलब गौर का पॉपुलेशन और विलेजेस है सो एनिमल्स को जंगल में रुकने के लिए उसको पानी के लिए बाहर आने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए तो वी हैव टेकन अप मेनी न्यू वाटर होल्स इन डिफरेंट सैंक्चुरीज फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ ऑल द सैंक्चुरीज इन टेरिटोरियल एरियाज आल्सो वी हैव कंस्ट्रक्टेड मेनी वाटर होल्स एंड चेक डैम्स टू रिटेन द वाटर इन दी फॉरेस्ट इटसेल्फ तो उसी के क्या होगा वो जानवर को बाहर आने की जरूरत नहीं होगा तो पानी उधर ही उनको पीने का मौका मिलेगा क्योंकि जब वो बाहर आएगी तो ह्यूमंस के साथ उनको कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होने के चांसेस है तो पानी का इंतजाम हम लोग उधर कर रहे हैं। दूसरा है खाने का मीन्स उनका ग्रास और इसी से ग्रेसिंग एंड ब्राउजिंग एनिमल वो ग्रास भी खाता है और ब्राउज भी करता है तो ये दोनों को जंगल में होना चाहिए तो वो एक्टिविटी भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं। तो जहाँ जहाँ डिग्रेडेड फॉरेस्ट है वहाँ पर हम लोग ग्रास प्लॉट बनाते हैं वहाँ अभी मोल्लम हो मादे हो या डिफरेंट सेंचुरीज है उधर हम लोग हर साल उसको बढ़ाते जाते हैं ताकि वो उधर ही रिटर्न हो खाने के लिए दोबारा उनको एग्रीकल्चर या हार्टिकल्चर फील्ड में आने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए तो वो एक एक्टिविटी हो गया। दूसरा है और ये उनको उधर रिटेन करने के लिए जानवर को जंगल में रिटेन करने के लिए जब वो बाहर आ जाता है और एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड में आ जाता है तो ह्यूमन के साथ उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है उसको डैमेज हो जाता है प्रॉपर्टी लाइफ या एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप उसको कंपनसेट करने के लिए वी हैव रिवाइज्ड अवर कंपनसेशन स्कीम जो वाइल्ड लाइफ रिलेटेड कंपनसेशन स्कीम है वो लास्ट ईयर रिवाइज हुआ है उसको जो रेट्स वगैरह है इट वाज इंक्रीज्ड जो अभी कोई जानवर या तो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल में डैमेज हुआ हो या तो लाइफ में डैमेज हुआ या तो प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज हुआ वो सब रिवाइज करके हम लोग इंक्रीज कर दिए गए। One thing we could not do the crop damage, revision of crop damage because we are not looking after that. We have requested agricultural department. They have their scheme.
9 gaur, 5 males, 4 females, and we are very lucky and fortunate enough to be getting 1 calf per year. Last year, in fact, we have got 2 calves, so that is a very good positive thing for Mondla. Concerning health and management, so I formulate diet plan for each and every gaur. Each and every individual is considered different because of certain conditions. Sometimes males require more protein, more energy. Being alpha male, they require more energy for breeding, for maintaining the dominance in the herd. Females require during lactation, during pregnancy period, different rations. So we are procuring feed, we are formulating diets as per nutrient availability and requirements of each and every animal, taking roughly body size, body weight and condition. So we are medically managing, scientifically managing vaccination, deworming, regularly dewormings we are doing. We are taking fecal samples, we are checking, we are seeing if any disease and we are trying to control it. So all of that we have started vigorously over the period of 3 to 4 years. Also right now we have procured a lot of instruments, a lot of projectile guns because these are the animals that we cannot inject directly. We have to use long distance guns, projectile instruments so that we can administer medicines to them. So all of that modern techniques we are inculcating as per Central Zoo Authority.
We're still looking at developing the master plan. The master plan has to go through an official process of review and approval. So the Central Zoo Authority has a committee. It has a technical committee, it has a design committee which has experts from all across the country, and they look at these designs and master plans in the intention that whatever, because the master plan is for 20 years. It's a 20-year plan that is developed, and you can do a review in 10 years, but because it's a long-term plan, that, you know, we don't miss out anything. All the aspects of animal care, welfare are included, so it goes through these review processes.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
And now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state. There was no large change in maximum temperature over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state.
Temperatures were normal over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state. The highest maximum temperature of 33.6 degrees centigrade was recorded at Panji. Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.